Hey, quick half wrap tutorial. And yes, I'm outdoors behind a random building and just get these things filmed when I can. Sorry that the lighting is not perfect. So yeah, got my velvet headband on. Then I'm taking my Tuff 2-in-1 and crisscrossing it at the back. This is gonna be like more of a twisted style. And the way to do the twisted style is to basically start off loose and then get tighter. So you bring up the two ends around top here and then make one knot, but don't do it too tight because you're going to need to loop the other ends around more. And then you continue. Try not to get your hair. That's one annoying thing about the half wraps is your hair can get all over the place. And you can leave these fringy bits down. I really like leaving the fringy bits out. It just looks all hippie and cool. And then this side, I don't know if I'm gonna do it more once or twice. We'll see how much length I have. Yeah, I'll just do it once. I think this side I'll actually tuck away completely. I'll leave the other side out. There it is. Okay. So now you have a twisted wrap. Now you can adjust it. Really adjust it out. Just things. And there we go. Take that down if you want, or keep it up if you want. There you have it.